be given ask rate. If I am selling, I'm a customer. If I am selling, I would be given bid rate, right? Good. And of course, bid rate is always less than the ask rate. Selling rate is always greater than buying rate. So bid ask spread covers the banking cost of conducting the foreign exchange transaction. So what is spread? Spread is equal to selling minus bid rate. Simple. Sell minus buy is your spread. So selling means ask, buying means bid. So bid ask ratio is ask rate minus bid rate divided by ask rate. So remember, this is not the profit ratio. The bid ask spread is not the profit ratio. It is just covering the cost of the transaction cost, not the, it doesn't have the electricity cost, management cost, wages of the stuff, the rent of the factory. No, it is just the spread. Spread means cost minus bid rate. That's it. If I want to talk about bid ask spread ratio, then divided by ask. So this bid ask spread doesn't mean that it is profit, because profit we also less some interest, some different admin expenses, rent, electricity bill, and all those stuff. So spread, you can just say that this is a gross profit. That's it, right? So in the world of currency exchange, we don't say it is gross profit. We don't say that this is the the benefit that we get from selling high, buying low. We just call it spread. And bid ask spread ratio is equal to ask rate minus bid rate divided by ask rate. So if you understand all this stuff, so let's understand example here. So we have a bid rate, you see, 1.52. And remember one thing here. So this is British pound rate for bid rate of British pound and ask rate for British pound. So can you tell me what is bid rate? 1.52 is telling you regarding British pound. Anyone? Oliver? Tiffany?
So could you repeat the question, please?
What is meant by this bid rate? $1.52. What do we mean by bid rate?
It's the lowest what people want to buy.
What people want to buy. No, Oliver, no. So currency is pound and bid rate is 1.52. So basically 1.52 is the price of pound mentioned in dollars. 1 pound is equal to $1.52. But this bid means that the dealer is ready to buy 1 pound equal to $1.52. Not people. Dealer want to buy. Oliver, get it?
Yeah.
So what does it mean by the ask 1.60? Meena, Tara, can you describe what do we mean by ask 1.6?
I mean, probably not the dealer. The other person asks one to make the deal with $1.60.
Those two, but not right. Here, dealer will sell at 1 pound is equal to $1.60. Bid means dealer will purchase. Bid means dealer will purchase at 1.5 to ask mean dealer will sell at 1.6 pound, $1.6 a pound, right? So if we want to find out the bid ask spread ratio, simple, ask minus bid divided by ask, 5%, and here the Japanese yen. So Japanese yen is 5.4%. So tell me, if this is a profit, so this bid ask spread ratio 5% or 5.4%, is this is a profit? Dion, is this is the profit? Cannot hear you.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Lucie, you tell me, is this is a profit?
I'm neither sure though.
Is this the profit? Okay. Sufyan, is this the
I
profit?
think no.
You mean if it's right?
No, if is this spread 5%, 5.4% is profit or not?
I think it is not.
Okay. PD, it's profit or not? Lancelot says yes. Answer is no. Answer is no. So this 5% is just spread, and spread is not profit. It is a gross profit, which means you still have to adjust for different expenses, cost of running the business, your utility bills, this kind of stuff. So spread is not, remember, spread is not profit. Spread is just cost minus bid divided by, it is just a ratio, but it is not the profit. So are we clear? Tara, Mina, Lancel, Dion, Oliver, PD, Lu Chia Chang, Sufyan. Okay, if you understand that one, please find out the spread of this question. So this is individual class activity. Everyone must solve this question. So let me read that. Bid ask spread of Utah Bank bid price for Canadian dollar is this one and ask price is 0.81. So you need to find out the bid ask ratio, bid ask percentage spread. So what is that one? Find out. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to solve this. So those who are watching online, please pause the video because I'm gonna pause the recording here. Okay, guys, so what is the answer here? This one.
2%.
Well done. So first of all, ask minus bid divided by ask. It's going to be 0.02 or 2%, right? Okay, for the rest of the stuff we will be talking about in our next class, factors affecting this spread. So remember, spread is not a profit. So the tagline that we, learned today, that this is not profit. Okay, rest of the chapter we'll talk about how, which factors affect this spread. We'll talk about in our next lecture. So remember, next lecture we have assignment 1, and we talked about that. Remember, for assignment 1, let me explain one more time. So your assignment 1, it is due next week before class. Before class, remember this one, not during the class, before class. So which means before 15 of the Beijing time. And then it must be handwritten. If you have an e-pen, you can also write down through e-pen. And if you want to write down on your paper, please take a pictures, paste into a Word file, not PDF, Word file. And also please rename your Word file as your name, student ID, International Finance, assignment 1. Okay, so that we are not mixing with others. So maybe some of the students are also having course with me of financial accounting. So it's not like that I mix up with the international finance of their accounting. Okay, so please mention the subject name, your student ID, and your own name as well. The file name, okay, it must be Word file, and file must be renamed to your student ID, your name, the subject name, and assignment number. So like I have mentioned here as an example here, let me show you again, like this. Here we go, like this. So this would be the file name. It must be a Word file. So you rename the file, your name, student ID, International Finance, assignment 1. Okay, so that it would be easy for you and for me as well to give you timely response. Must be a Word file. Why Word file? Why not PDF? Because I am using Surface Book and I have a Surface Pen. It works, fast on Word or MS products. So not on the PDF products. Okay, so in that way I would be checking your assignments very quickly and giving you timely response. So are we clear?
Yes.
You are clear? The class is finished. If you still have any question, you can write us in our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. Remember, submit your assignment through email or through WeChat ID, but I would prefer that you submit through WeChat ID. It's more convenient for me. But if it is convenient for you to send me the email, please, in the subject line, do mention your name, student ID, and the subject and the assignment number as well, so that if it's in junk, I could be easily find out and save it to your personal folder. Okay, no more question. Then take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.